right, today we're gonna bring a fishing rail and rod. This is a combo. So one thing that I just figured out that you don't need to actually buy the actual string because there is string along with it too. So this is a beautiful design. I like the coloring that they have installed. Look at this. It's like an orange design in here. It's durable. There's this is actually carbon fiber, I believe, in some of it. So it has an extra strong grip on it. It's flexible. It comes in two pieces for traveling. And we're gonna set this up today and we're gonna go fishing. So we're going ocean fishing on the pier, but you could use it for freshwater, rivers, sea. This reel and rod is not made for swordfish or anything like that. It's just the basic. Sharks, not made for sharks. It's very strong too. You can actually bring anything pretty much, but it's a little smaller than the usual ones, but it's strong. And we are gonna go fishing today at the pier. So all right, here's a complete kit. Fishing rod and string, no hooks, no weights installed. You have to provide your own. It's a beautiful day. This is either for sea or saltwater or freshwater. You can enjoy yourself, bring your kids with you, have the kids together. VEVOR is making great equipment, and like I said, everything's included except for the hooks and the bait and the weights. But this is gonna be lots of fun for the summer. A whole kit's complete. We set it up and enjoy it.